The what? You want to dump them out? Okay, if you dump them out, you have to pick them up before we leave. Okay. Are you going to pick them up? Well, yeah, you don't have to do it like a second. I'm just saying before we leave. But then she also got our card because you synced it to your computer and you can download that load like games. And it'll track your progress.
Leo, you want to turn around?
That you've advanced.
Are you interested?
And it syncs it.
It's not interested, Larry.
Wow. So it like gives you a score kind of.
Hi. Mia, wave at the camera. Say hi. She's a little preoccupied right now.
Mia, say hello.
Playing with her elite pad.
Hello. Oh, hey Lexi, say hi.
Say hi, Lexi.
Lexi being nice. She's like, ooh, I heard my name. Is somebody going to give me attention? Lexi.
What did you think, Mother?
Do you want us to take you too? So you can be part of the video? You better not be zooming in right now. You better not. Are you zooming?
No.
I see that little... Your finger's doing something up there.
No kisses. No kisses.
It's like a backpack.
No kisses.
Say hi. Hey, buddy boy.
Hey, why don't you go play with
Say hello.
Let's go home. Let's go play with Matthew.
You go say hi.
Turn it off and
Look away.
You're not going to get to see him again for a while. I guess I should probably
Hey,
put the doggies
Matt.
out right now.
Come here.
Because I want them to play. Here, let's put this up and go play with
Matt.
Matt.
No.
We'll play with it later. Why don't you go show Matthew your leak pad?
Today.
Do you know that song, Matthew? Why don't you let Matthew see if he can do that? Here, let Matthew see it for a minute. Can you go like that, Matthew? And draw from there to there. Connect the dots. But why don't you let Matthew see if he can do it? Let Matthew see if he can connect the dots. Oh, you just turned it off.
No, my baby.
What? Mommy's gonna put it up if you can't play nice. Are you gonna play nice? Hmm? No, Daddy's not gonna save you.
You getting your picture taken, Lexi? You getting your picture taken? You getting your picture
See,
taken?
there's this cake.
Where? Come on, Leo.
It was up there just a second ago.
Come on, Leo. Say something.
Smile.